How to make SaaS product website on Squarespace. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna step by step show you how to create your own website on squarespace.com. So it may sound complicated, but in fact it's really easy to do, and in a few minutes I will show you how to do it. First of all, you need to create an account or log into your account on squarespace.com. As you can see, I already did it and I'm in my account. So next you just need to click this button, get started, and choose what type of website you want to create, what's your site about. So as we are making SaaS product website, you can type SaaS, but basically the best option will be software, and here you can choose the software that you are gonna to sell, either computer software or educational software, internet software, multimedia, whatever you want to sell. For an example, I'm gonna choose internet software. Just for an example, you can choose another one, that's not a problem. What do you want to do with your website? So here you need to choose the purposes of your website. So basically sell services right there. This is the best option here. Also you can sell products maybe, or promote an event or project, collect donations, publish a blog or other media, promote a physical business, build community, showcase work, whatever you want. Feel free to choose. The next step, how would you like to start building your website? So here guys, you have two options. You can build your website with AI, or you can browse templates. To be honest guys, I'm not a big fan of AI right here, so I really like to choose from a curated set of professionally designed website templates. So that's why I'll pick this one, browse templates. And on this page you need to choose the template that you think is the best for you, for your business. You can change the type of your website here, or you can change the topic of your website here. If you don't like any of those templates, you don't need to worry, because any time you can rework it. You can pick any of template and rework it, fully rework it to make it like you want, you know. It's very easy to edit your template and very easy to rework it. I'm gonna show you later. Just for an example, I think that we need to choose another one. For example, I think we need another topic. I think I found the best template. Nolan, you can see here you can change sample color presets, but later I'm gonna show you how to change colors more accurate. Here we can have only 12 colors presets, so it's not a big amount. And let's continue with this design. Just a few more moments, and now we need to create site name. Just for an example, I'm gonna name it SaaS. Some tips, and now we can edit our website. But firstly, we need to manage some stuff here. First of all, pages, main navigation, we have our work, our services, company and contact page. You can easily delete any of those, or you can add a new page here. You can link some page to main navigation. Here you can see main navigation. You can, for example, link home page here, like this. You can change site styles. As I told you, you can change colors, you can change any color, any element of your website, change. And here you can pick any color you want. It's like also themes, you can choose ready-made options for your website. For example, playful, sophisticated, friendly, bold, quirky, innovative, professional. For example, professional one. So we need to reload page. Also, you can manage some stuff about your products, services, invoicing, content and membership, donation, scheduling. Also, you can have analytics here, very interesting page. Here you can check the traffic, the data about your traffic, amount of visits, bounce rate, unique visitors, page views, even the geography of your visitors. Here you can change last 30 days, last month, year to date, last year, today, yesterday, whatever. Very interesting one, kinda essential. And let's edit this template. Click on this button, edit, and now you can edit almost everything. You can see the sections. Every page is divided into several sections, from header to footer here. This is the first section. You can change the size of section. You can change the placement of any element, text or image or video or audio, buttons, whatever. You can easily edit it. For example, you can select this text, delete it, and write whatever you want. Write about your service, about your product, something about it. For example, my company is making the best software, whatever. You can do it bigger like this. Also, you can add the image like this, add a block. Block is like any content. It's like text, image, video, audio, button, form, map, newsletter, whatever you want, you can add it here. For example, let's add image, and let's add the button. Image, just click this button. You can upload an image from your computer, or you can use free images by Squarespace. Just for an example, I'm gonna use these images. Software, for example, this one doesn't really matter. And button, learn more, or you can use another button. You can change the text here. For example, you can write join us, but learn more. I like this option. And of course you can link this button to another website maybe, or to file, email, phone number, or to another page on your website. For example, our services. You can set this thing here, open link in new tab, or no, like this. And also you can edit background, you can edit the color, for example, white background or dark gray or just black, or you can have another colors like these side styles I already showed you, or you can add an image as a background. I already showed you how to add an image. So also you can replace an image like this, replace, or you can delete some stuff. You can delete this element, this image, you can delete this text, you can delete the whole section like this, remove. You can add a new section, you can have intro, contact, about, people, products, many options here. You can add a blank section. So as you can see, the entire interface of the site is very clear to any user. Also you can toggle to mobile view to edit your website in the mobile view. Like this. In general, the site has a lot of functions, so I recommend you to try this by yourself. Also, you need to save changes as frequently as possible here, and when you're done editing your website, you need to click save, exit, and if you want to publish your website, you need to upgrade your account, click this button, subscribe, and select the plan, simple plans, simple prices. Only pay for what you really need. All plans come with award-winning 24/7 customer support, very useful tool. And if you're planning to sell something on your website, I really recommend you to choose basic or advanced one. If you don't, you can have a business, only $23 per month, most popular option. Here you can see advantages. For example, free custom domain. You can get it with any plans. SSL security, unlimited bandwidth, video hosting, contributors, basic website metrics, some extensions, some premium features. So, and when you're done subscribing, you'll get publish button instead of this subscribe button, and you will be able to publish your website so anyone can see it. So I think that in this video I showed you enough of the basics of using this website. I hope you liked this video, and thank you for watching. See you soon. Subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.